In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add scaling text on your Wix website in Wix Studio. Scaling text can give your site a dynamic and engaging feel by enabling typography that adjusts smoothly across different devices and screen sizes. So let's dive right in and see how we can make your text more flexible and responsive. To begin, open up your Wix website editor. If you're not already at this point, you'll need to log into your Wix account. Navigate to your site dashboard and select the Edit Site option. This will bring you into the editor where we can start customizing your text. Once there, navigate to the page or section of your website where you want to incorporate scaling text. You should see all the text elements that you have on your website. The next step is selecting the text that you want to have scaling capabilities. Just click on the text box and it should bring up some editing options. It's important to make sure you have the right segment of text highlighted, so that any changes you apply will impact only the desired text element. Now, click on the Edit Text button that appears once you have your text selected. This opens the Text Settings panel. Here, you'll find a variety of customization options for your text, including font type, color, and most importantly for this tutorial, size options. In this panel, locate where you can enter the text size. Here you can type in your desired starting size in pixels. You want to choose a size that looks good on a standard screen, but keep in mind that we are going to make it responsive, so it can adjust based on the device that views it. When you enter the size, double-check to see how the text looks in the editor. On the same panel, you should see options for setting the font size in pixels. Adjust until you find the size that looks best. Don't forget to take a look at line spacing and character spacing options as well. Proper spacing is essential to ensure readability, especially when text size changes dynamically. These adjustments can make a significant difference in how neat and professional your text appears, particularly on smaller screens. While you're here, make sure to also check the SEO and accessibility settings for your text. Making your text accessible ensures that all users, including those using screen readers, can interact with your content effectively. Additionally, adding proper tags and descriptions can boost your website's optimization for search engines, which is crucial for achieving better visibility online. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully added scaling text to your Wix site using Wix Studio. With this effect in place, visitors to your site will experience smooth and responsive text that looks great, no matter what device they're using. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope it elevates the experience.